broke. Okay, Sparkle Besties. So today's update almost turned into a whole Sparkleverse lawsuit. My doll arrived at the pink estate, minding her business, looking cute, ready to experience the new Sparkle elevator. And baby, the elevator said, not today. She got inside, the chain slipped, and the elevator went slamming down so hard her 3D printed doll shoes broke into pieces. Yes, pieces, y'all. At that point, I really thought we were about to have a Sparkleverse legal case on our hands. But thankfully, Isha decided not to pursue legal action. She accepted a fresh pair of sparkling shoes, and we are very grateful for her grace during this difficult time. So naturally, the Sparkle Elevator Service team had to come in and assess the damage. The chain broke, the string needed reinforcement, and the landing definitely needed some padding because clearly we are not sending dolls down an elevator shaft with no cushion. So I added felt to the bottom landing to give it a softer stop, reinforced the string and chain with B7000, and most importantly, I let it rest so everything could properly cure. The official recommendation from Sparkle Elevator Service was to wait 24 to 48 hours before using the elevator again because the glue needs time to dry and the structure needs time to settle. And honestly, y'all, this project has been such a challenge between getting the elevator to move, trying to keep it from sticking, fixing the chain, reinforcing the string, and making sure nobody else gets unalived in the pink estate. It has been a whole entire journey. But I can finally say the Sparkle elevator is pretty much complete. Let's give it another go. I still have a little detail to add at the top because of course I noticed that after I thought I was done, but that won't take me long at all. After that, I'm still thinking about adding some decor around the base, maybe a staircase base, some railing, a little luxe Sparkleverse moment to make it feel finished and intentional. So yes, Isha is safe. She has new shoes. She did not sue us. The elevator is reinforced. The landing is padded. The glue is curing, and we are officially back on track. I hope y'all enjoyed this little peek into the Sparkleverse because baby, even the elevators come with drama over here. I hope you are having an amazing weekend so far, and as always, thank you for following along as I keep building this dreamy little doll world, one sparkle, one repair, and one dramatic little incident at a time. Bye.